Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow, lived a friendly little lark named Larry. Every morning, Larry would wake up with the sun, chirping a cheerful melody that echoed around the meadow. He would flutter his wings, stretch his small neck, and sing his heart out, welcoming the new day. One day, Larry noticed a small, timid rabbit named Ruby hiding behind a bush. Ruby had been feeling sad for days, and Larry, with his kind heart, decided to help. He flew over to her, looked her in the eyes, and sang a gentle lullaby. Ruby listened, her eyes starting to shine as a wave of comfort washed over her. Larry continued to visit Ruby every morning, singing his lullaby and sharing stories of his adventures in the sky. Little by little, Ruby's sadness began to fade, and she started to look forward to each new day. She even learned to sing a few notes like Larry, and their mornings became filled with laughter and joy. One day, Ruby approached Larry with a request. "Larry," she said, "would you teach me how to fly?" Larry, though he didn't possess the power of flight, smiled and said, "Of course, Ruby. But remember, it's not about flying high, it's about spreading love and joy." From that day on, Ruby learned to fly not with wings, but with love in her heart. She would soar above the meadow, singing Larry's lullaby, spreading happiness wherever she went. And Larry, watching her, felt a sense of pride. He knew he had made a difference, just by being kind and sharing his love for music. As the days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, Larry and Ruby became the best of friends. They welcomed each new day together, spreading love and joy, and teaching others the importance of kindness and friendship. And so, the story of Larry and Ruby serves as a reminder that even the smallest actions can have the biggest impact. Now, as you drift off to sleep, remember Larry and Ruby's story, and let their kindness guide you into a peaceful slumber. Sweet dreams, dear child, and may you always spread love and joy just like Larry and Ruby.